Hi you guys, welcome back to my vlogs. I'm really happy for you to be here, and in this vlog you would see a lot of behind the scene of the shoots that goes in place and the pictures that you see on Instagram, and just a few events and whatever was happening during the Valentine's week. So I really hope that you enjoy this vlog as much as I enjoyed recording it and whatever the fun content I've put together. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. बेसिकली सो वी हैव चूजन गिफ्ट फॉर रोही एंड इट वाज वेरी इजी क्योंकि लड़कों के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं है, बट अभी रोही को चूज़ करना है एंड ही इज़ एब्सोल्युटली इन कंफ्यूज स्टेट ऑफ माइंड.
कौन बुरा है पता तो चले.
अरे यार आप इतना नाटक क्यों कर रहे हो? Look at him. We have our personal खरगोश. Yes. Do you like it? ठीक है.
एक बार देख लेता हूँ.
Currently in confusion if you want this one or that one. Well, we definitely like the black one. We were just thinking from the brand's point of view currently. This is also looking very smart. Just come back. So today we are at Jahapana. We are in collaboration with them for the next upcoming Valentine's Day shoot. And Roy has tried his outfit. How did you like your outfits?
The black one is must take them.
Which one do you guys like?
क्या हुआ?
I did like this. I was like this. I did like that. What's up, you guys? So today is what date? 10th of February, and we are shooting for Indian Valentine's Day concept. And Happy is helping us with the shoot today. It's what time?
It's 3.
2:33, I
3
think.
exactly. Yes.
And we are excited to show you the content.
Ayo. उल्टा रख दे क्या इसको? ओके देख. Started around 5, it went up till 8 o'clock. So for 2 hours the police was banging from outside. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ ना, last में
We've come to the launch of the Bar Stock Exchange and met these guys after forever. It was a good time. We had good conversation. Yeah. Very healthy conversation. Very healthy. So yeah, just wanted to cover, and obviously you guys will see the pictures of the place. It's quite happening in life.
Yeah, we had such a good time.
Yes, and the food was good.
Yeah, the food was really okay.
Pre-Valentine's dinner date.
we were also part of it.
So I basically came to Forum to pick up something again. It's like all the time we just come down to Forum if you have to pick up for something or pick up something for somebody. It's the thing. So we've picked up what we wanted, and Doll has been looking for a bag from a very, very long time. This is the bag, and this was on discount today. And we finally bought this. And also before this I've had the event and it's really interesting event. Like I've loved the fragrances there, and also you know, they're so reasonable, so good, but the brand is really not discovered by a lot of people. So yeah, in case you're somebody who loves you know, good fragrances for your home, and also the diffuser, because the market is full of diffusers and stuff. So if you like something like that, you should totally check that out. That is I'm gonna add few clips so you know, you guys can actually get a view of how the store is and what all you can get in the store. So that's on the Sharat City Capital Mall, second floor.
My sister is so hardworking. Do subscribe her channel, like the videos, hit like. Thank you so much.
So today I am visiting the store named Iris. They're into diffusers, candles and all things fragrance. Like you see, it's all very pretty. Of course, very good gifting ideas, and they're all so reasonable. Like, I've just got the diffuser from them. Going for another shoot for Valentine's, and this one's for Cadbury. Where is our Cadbury? Ulti hai. So like I said, we are shooting for Cadbury. So I've taken the heart out of the Cadbury. So this is the special one for Valentine's Day. And Rohi kind of is so excited to eat the chocolate that he has already tried eating. We are having tough we are having tough time shooting this. What really goes behind shooting such campaigns? So we've just wrapped up another fun shoot, and you would have already seen the pictures by now on Instagram.
Dude.
So I'm back from shoot, and now I'm doing some unboxing stories for my Instagram. So just setting up things for that, and I'll actually show you, since it's all gonna be about the Instagram work, I thought I'll also show you the packages that has come in for this week. This is what I have set up because I just have to do the unboxing story. So we've received this spoof from FWD Fashion. We have some other stuff here. We have something from Perth, two of the things from L'Oreal, Reebok, and this is my first package from Reebok. The shoes, I'm really excited for this, and also a Samsung M02 phone. So yeah, and that's it for the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog, and if you have any suggestions, anything that you want me to record next, and anything else that you want me to cover in the vlogs, please comment down below, as that will help me you know, to deliver the kind of content that you want to watch. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.